Today, I am sharing with you another school snack or lunch idea that you can try at home for your children. Hello, my lovelies. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to another interesting recipe. So, let us start. You'll be needing slices of bread. You can make as many pieces as you want, depending how many people are eating them. So start by cutting the edges of the bread. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate every one of you. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like and share this video with your friends and family. Alright, you can either use a knife or a scissors to cut the edges of the bread. So once this is done, you should have something like this. Don't throw the pieces away. Just hold on. I'm going to tell you what to do with it. You can make a crumbs with it, okay? And here are the bread I'll be making use of. Pick one of the bread, get a rolling pin, and start rolling to flatten the bread. Keep rolling until there is no life in the bread or till the bread starts begging for its life. You should have this flat bread. Go ahead, repeat the same process with the remaining bread. And you should have something like this. Poor innocent looking bread. So set the bread aside. We move to the next step. You need a crater and 2 hard-boiled eggs. With the crater, I will start creating the eggs. Please do this one after the other, okay? Once I am done with the eggs, you can now move in with your choice of veggies. I started with shredded carrots, chopped cabbage, chopped tomatoes, Now remember the pieces of bread that we cut earlier. We are going to pieces the bread. like I'm doing so. The pieces are much. Just add as many as you need into the mixture. Go ahead, add your dry ingredients. I started with paprika powder to make it spicy. I then added ginger and garlic powder. I am adding mayonnaise. You can use ketchup or tomato sauce, etc. A beautiful shout out to Babangida Risikatu from Abuja, Nigeria. Peace Ainde from USA. I am happy you to enjoy the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you are watching from so that I can give you a shout out on my next video. Now see what we have. Good looking veggie mix. It is looking so yummy. Now you are going to make a binder. You can use a beaten eggs to make your binder, but I am using a flour mixed with a little bit of water as my binder. Mix the flour and the water very well until there is no lump in it. Pick one of the bread, rub a little bit of the binder on the upper part of the bread like so. Now let's start adding the veggies. You can either use your spoon to add the veggies, or you can mold the filling with your fingers as I'm doing so. So putting the veggie with my fingers is much more easier for me. So add the flour paste and rub without the filling coming off. Just do any method that is easier for you, okay? Do the same with the remaining bread. And you should be having this beautiful looking bread. If you are still watching till now, type "this is bam." Now you can bake or toast this bread or use a air fryer too. In a dry pan, place the bread one after the other. All right, start with the end of the rolled bread. So toast every part of the bread. They are not too hot that they can burn your fingers. Please do this on the lowest heat, toast the upper and the lower part of the bread too. Take them out once you are done toasting. It is ready, and that is basically all for this recipe. Serve and enjoy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type Naija Sisiijebu'scorner at the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.